This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Hey guys, what's going on here? Hey, I'm here with my guy Cheplex, and I'm getting ready to teach him and you basically how to make $4,000 using YouTube. Here, I'm getting ready to teach you guys, okay, how to make $4,000 using YouTube without recording any videos here, okay? My name is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin, and I'm blessed, as you can see here, with these beautiful cars in the background here. But listen, this is where I want you to be, okay? I want you to have fancy cars in your bedroom. But listen, what I'm going to do in this video here, step by step, I'm going to show you how to basically use YouTube in a very unique way to make money without showing your face. You can have 0 subscribers, okay? You can have 0 views, and you can make a ton of money. Does that make sense? So I want everybody to do this. Before I get started here, listen, I love you. Smash the like button. Smash the sub button as well. And I want everybody to comment these words below. I can do this, okay? Everybody. I can do this. Listen, one day, you'll be able to live your dream. I'm living my dream. I'm grateful to God. But guess what? For you to live your dream, you got to take massive action. 1 and 2, you got to believe that you can do it. Okay? If you're ready. Okay, so check it out. This is all you have to do. And it's so simple to make money online. Herman, you need to sit down right now so you can learn this right now. This guy's one of the largest real estate agents here on the planet right now. But he's looking to move his business online, right? Yes. Move his business online. Why? Because he wants a Rolls Royce too. Like we taking the Rollie out tonight. Yeah, exactly, right? Let's get it, baby. Okay, so check it out here. Let me plug in my charger. Give me 1 second here, folks. You can go ahead and smash the like button to show me some love here. Okay, so first step is this. You want to go to youtube.com and you want to type in something like this. How to program the mind, do this with me, please, for success, okay? So what we're going to do is we want to find videos in the self-development niche. Now get this. Now listen here. You don't want to miss a beat. You don't have to upload any videos. You don't have to record any videos on YouTube. Hell, you don't even have to show your face, right? You can be a totally incognito person and you can make a ton of money. When I show you this, it's going to blow your mind, okay? So listen, you want to find niches online, such as in the self-development here, okay? See videos like this, how to program your mind for success. We got Brian Tracy here. We have another lady here. Let me give you another example. Or how to boost confidence, okay? Pay attention, please. All right, how to boost confidence here. All right, now understand something about the internet here. These videos run all day, every day, okay? So what you want to do, okay, to start making money online right now is you want to choose one of these videos, okay, like this one. 6 million views, 3 tips to boost your confidence. You're going to click on it. And what you want to do is watch the video, okay? Are you with me so far? You want to watch this video. You don't have to record the video. You don't need to show your face. You just need to watch the video, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to gather information, okay? Are you guys with me? You want to gather information from the video, okay? And you're going to take the information and you're going to put it on another site that I'm about to show you right now. And you're going to start making money. Does that make sense? So what I want to do is I'm going to show you an example of a video like this one, okay? This video here, this is me, Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. This is the black kid from Houston, Texas here, okay? Smash the like button if you're loving that shirt. Let's go! I'm just kidding. Listen, so this is the video here that's called How to Program Your Mind for Wealth and Success in Less Time, okay? 5,000 people liked it. So what you want to do is watch the video. As a matter of fact, I'll put the link to that video in the description below so you can watch the video and take notes, okay? Does that make sense? You're going to take notes. Everything that you hear in this video, you're going to take notes, okay? It's for free. Then you want to move over to our site by the name of Skillshare.com. Are you with me? Okay? You're going to make a ton. Listen, it is many people, and I'm going to show you proof, that are making so much money using this. But listen, you do have to put in the work, okay? You have to put in the work, all right? This is not the lottery. This is not Vegas. You have to put in the work to do this. I'm giving you the blueprint. I'm giving you the technique here. And you can smash the like button if you're enjoying this video right now. Let's go, okay? So what you want to do is basically register for an account and start a class, okay? Does that make sense? What you're going to do is you're going to take this video here. You're going to take notes. And from that video, you're going to create a course. Does that make sense? Now, let me show you how easy it is to create a course. Now, check this out. Skillshare does all the marketing for you. Skillshare is going to pay you as people watch your course online for free. So imagine this. Millions of people every single day come to the site to learn things. Let me show you proof. If you go to search here, you go to browse, it has people that have created courses in all these different genres here, all these different niches here. But what you're going to do, you're going to create a course in mindset here. See this person here? They did a daily art practice here, 14-day mindset challenge here. Oh, that's teachers here. Let's browse here. Let's do this. Let's go back to the beginning of the site because I'm going to show you. This is really going to blow your mind here. So millions of people every day come here because they want to learn things, okay? So let's type in mindset. Like self-development is huge right now. So I recommend that you guys jump into that for sure. But look how many people watch this course. Okay, 7,000 students. So this person is getting paid pretty good here. Okay, they're making money, and Skillshare does all the promoting for you. I mean, there's other ways to market it as well, but Skillshare does a good job. Once your course is created, based off other information that's already online for free. Look, this is what I want you to do, and I want you to comment these words below. Wesley, I'm going to use you. Okay, I want you to use me. Okay, I want you to use me right now, which means is go to my YouTube channel. You're probably there. Listen to one of my videos, take notes, and then create a course based off the information you learned on Skillshare. Okay. So basically you're taking free information and you're putting it here in your own words here. Okay. And you're uploading the videos, creating a course, and they're going to pay you. They're going to pay you to do this. Millions of people, like imagine millions of people going to the site, seeing your course, and you're making money. Now, let me ask you a question here. How much time and effort do you think it would take you right now to go to my YouTube channel, find a video about mindset or self-development, okay? And then take notes and then create a course. Now, you may say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to create a course. Okay, check this out. Click here on the actual course that's doing very well and model it. Big head. You see that? Just model what this person has already done. Right? It's simple. You do a video and you upload it. You title every video, you upload and you're done. Now, let me show you step by step how to create a course. Look, start a class. Are you with me so far? Okay. You see that? And you just upload the videos. I mean, that's that simple. Does that make sense? It's very simple to do. Now, somebody's asking, well, Wesley, does it cost money to do this? Now, check it out. This is what you do. They give you 7 days for free, right? All you need to do before your 7 days is cancel. Okay? It doesn't cost any money to be a teacher. And you don't have to have any skill. A 14-year-old can do this, and they do this, okay? As long as you're 14 years old and up, you can do this, right? You fill out this form here. You get your 7-day free trial. You cancel it because it doesn't cost any money to become a teacher. Does that make sense? Go ahead and click the like button if that makes perfect sense, guys. How many of you are going to do this? It's a very simple process. And listen, let me show you something else here. Say if you want to get a six-pack. How many of you have a big belly right now? So what if I type in how to get abs, okay, in 90 seconds here? How many of you want 90-second abs? Herman, you want 90-second abs? Yeah. Let's go. Look at this. No. So check it out. Let me show you how easy this is. Look. So this is the video. Oh, this is me. Oh, my God, guys. Look at me. This is me. That video has been viewed 73,000 times here. And it's a 90-second ab workout. Look at this girl. She took my workout. Look at her. Look at her. I'm going to go get you, girl. Where are you, girl? Come here, girl. Listen. Say if you want to create a course on how to get abs. Now listen, this is powerful. And you take this video, you watch it, and you basically do exactly what I did in the video, okay? It's just an ab workout. Look, that's when I was broke, right? That's when I was broke and poor, couldn't afford a proper camera here. And even worse, I was going for the Texans. That's what I'm saying, right? Because they lose all the time. But listen, you take that video, you learn from the video, okay? You go to Skillshare, okay, for free, and you create an account. And remember, you don't have to create a premium account, but if you do, you can cancel within 7 days. And I do recommend counseling because it doesn't cost any money to be a teacher. You scroll down here, become a teacher, okay? And everything that you learn here, scroll down, see this? Start a class. And all you do is start creating the actual content for the class here. Does that make sense? How many of you can do that right now? And they're going to pay you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, how much average on average, how much is the average Skillshare person? If I sign up today, what is the average amount of money I'm going to make? Easy. Go to Google, type in how much does a Skillshare teacher make here, okay? So you scroll down here, they make between $200 to $10,000 per month, okay? These are newbies. The average teacher, you see it right there, right? The average teacher that signs up and gets started right now, right? Use this technique to make money online so you don't have to go to your crazy job here. $10K a month. What would you do with $10,000 a month by taking action? Hello? $10,000 per month. And guess what? Then you can have a Rolls Royce and a Lamborghini in your living room. Does that make sense? This is what I want for you, okay? I want you to be ridiculous and put a Lamborghini and a Rolls Royce Cullinan in your living room for no reason here, okay? So listen, if you can do this, I want everybody to comment below, I can do this. Now listen, I know some of you, you're not technical people. How many of you are not technical? You might say, Wesley, I love your videos, man. This makes perfect sense. As a matter of fact, I'm going to smash the like button because I love you. And I love when you say, let's go. But listen, how many of you, when it comes to technical things, you just get confused? Check it out. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this for 10 people and 10 people only here. What I'm going to do for 10 people right now, as you're listening to this video here, I'm going to give you 2 to 3 niches that I know work very well on Skillshare. Which means is, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you, I'm going to have me or my developer. We're going to reach out to you. I'm going to tell you what niche to focus on. Does that make sense? Because we know the niches when you create a course on Skillshare, which pays the most money, okay? We're going to do that for you. 2, I'm going to go to Skillshare and I'm going to create the Skillshare Become a Teacher profile for you. You still got to upload the videos. And as a bonus, I'm going to create another video for you to give you access so you will make sure that you create the course properly here, okay? Does that make sense? How many of you are drooling right now because you're like, Wesley, I need this, okay? Now listen, this is really only for the people who are serious and just like, they don't really understand how the internet works and they're just not technical, okay? I was a computer engineer for 10 years, so it's just kind of easy for me. Listen, I'm not going to charge you $10,000 or $1,000 for this, which I can easily do that. For $99, okay? 1 of 10 of you only for $99 right now tonight while you're watching this video here. I do 10 people per month. 10 people per month. They email me right here. And in the subject line, you write, do it for me, Skillshare. 10 people that take action now for $99 to start making money ASAP. We're going to do that for you, okay? Now listen, you still got to do the work. We're going to do the heavy lifting for you, which means we're going to create the Skillshare account for you, and we're going to give you 3 niches that we know work very well on Skillshare, so now you'll start seeing deposits in your bank account, okay? All you need to do, now listen, don't email me if you're not going to work. Don't email me if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not, you have to put the work in. I'm just going to give you the blueprint, okay? I'm going to do some work for you. It's like building a mansion. I'm going to build a kitchen out. I'm going to build your bedroom out. I'm going to get the pool ready. Then everything else, you got to drive people to the house. Does that make sense? but I'm going to get the foundation ready for you, right, to make money. Because I know some people who are not technical, they get confused quickly. They make mistakes and they get upset. And then they think this stuff don't work. Many people are doing this every single day. Look at this. Let me show you something here. Let's go back. I'm going to show you so many people that are already making money here. Okay. So if I go to browse here. Okay. Let me scroll down. Become a teacher here. See these teachers here? These are actual real people that are making money on the computer here. Okay. Like I said, the average are making between like a couple of hundred to $10,000 per month here. Okay. Teachers. And these are just regular people. You don't need a license. You don't need a certification. You can be just a regular person that knows how to do something very well. And you can just start making money tonight. But listen, if you need help, okay, I got your back. I've been doing this for 10 years online. I make a ton of money, but that's not what's important. What's important is that you can make the money as well. First 10 people that reach out to me right now and email me, do it for me at contactwest.com. You will get an email from me as long as you're number 10, between 1 and 10. If you're not, you're too late. Remember, millionaires, future millionaires always take massive action. They don't think too much. Poor and average people, they think, they're skeptical. They're like, well, I don't know. When is it going to work? How long? Listen, I don't want you. If you're that type of person, I don't want to work with you. I want to work with someone that wants to grind. I help people get rich, period. Okay? That's the name of the game. So, like I said before, first 10 people that need my help. Listen, I do suggest you try by yourself first. It's very simple. Listen to the video again. You'll get it. But if you need help, if you're one of those 10 people that are ready to take action right now, if you feel good about this, right? I'm here to help. Listen, I can't guarantee you millions of dollars, but I can guarantee you this. I will do the heavy lifting for you. And if you will work your butt off, it is no reason why you can't start making money sooner than later. Does that make sense? The email is right here. You see it? Do it for me at contactwest.com. In the subject line, it must say, do it for me Skillshare. If it doesn't, then I'm not going to read your email. I'm going to ignore you. Okay. So the email is right here. If you've already emailed me, I want you to comment below. I got it done, Wes. I'm on it. Oh, I want this right now, Wes. Comment below. If you want this right now, I want to see your comments because I want to reach out to you personally. The first 10 people that say I want this now have already emailed me. I figure you're ready to check my inbox. And if you're there, you're good to go. And guys, thank you so much for listening to this video. And remember, you can always sub to my channel. I record new videos every day. Listen, I'm in it for the little guy. I used to be the little guy, right? But now I'm doing very well. And now I'm going to bless you. But listen, you got to put the work in. And remember this quote. If you never watch another Wesley Virgin video, this is very important here. In life, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. Never forget that. You get what you picture. That means that the person that pictures themselves actually signing up, emailing me right now, and they can picture themselves making money in the next 30 to 90 days, they will. Much love. This is Wesley. $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Can we get a motivated, dedicated?
Yeah. Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Later.
And go do it.
Yeah, go take action here.
Yeah, take action.
The problem is, I don't know how to end the video. Oh my God.
Was it live?
It is live. How do I end the video? They removed the button. No. Sorry, folks. I can't end this video for some reason. All right, folks, I'm going to have to end the video. I'm sorry. Any questions for me?